Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI-powered creativity fueled. Today we are back with an exciting and interesting video on how to create long 2D animation videos for free. I had received few DMs that to make a video like Skull Town's Bloody Monday or IMR Scary Tales, style suspense or horror documentaries who have thousands and millions of subscribers and make huge amounts of money through views. And I am back with your request. Today I'm going to unwrap and teach you how you can also make horror or suspense documentary videos like this completely free. So lay back, grab a coffee to ease your chills and watch this video till end like a tutorial. To start with, I have made a suspense video using all free tools. This is an actual story that happened a decade back. Let's watch the video first, see the results, and then we will discuss in detail step-by-step process to create it.
On February 19th, 2013, maintenance workers at a downtown Los Angeles hotel made a discovery that would shock the world. The body of a 21-year-old Canadian student was found inside a rooftop water tank. Her name was Elisa Lam, and for weeks before that discovery, guests had been drinking, bathing, and brushing their teeth with water from that same tank. The hotel was called the Cecil, a place with a long and troubled history. In January 2013, Elisa Lam arrived in Los Angeles alone. She was traveling across the west coast of the United States. She documented her journey on social media. Photos of bookstores, cafes, city streets. Friends later said she appeared excited and hopeful. She checked into the Cecil Hotel on January 28th. It was meant to be a short stay. In the days that followed, Elisa remained in contact with her family. She called them daily. On January 31st, those calls stopped. Her parents became concerned. On February 1st, she was reported missing to the Los Angeles Police Department. Searches of the hotel began. Officers checked her room. They searched the building. There was no sign of struggle, no clear evidence of where she had gone. 2 weeks later, police released surveillance footage. It was recorded inside one of the hotel elevators. The timestamp read, February 1st, the last known sighting of Elisa Lam. In the video, she enters the elevator alone. She presses multiple floor buttons. She steps in and out. She appears to hide in the corner. She gestures with her hands. At times, she looks into the hallway, as if responding to someone unseen. The elevator doors remain open for an unusual length of time. Then she steps out, and she is never seen again. The footage spread rapidly online. It disturbed viewers across the world. It raised more questions than answers. What happened after that night remains deeply unsettling. Next, we follow the investigation to the rooftop and examine the questions that were never fully answered.
Now that was a crazy, right? This is just first part. We will make the remaining part and see the outcome at the end of our video. Honestly, even I was thrilled watching this after making it. A lot of people love horror-like documentary videos, including myself. I enjoy watching them a lot. I followed 4-step process and every tool I used in this video is completely free. You can make these videos without spending a single penny. I've divided everything into parts. We'll cover one thing at a time, step by step. So don't skip, watch till end. Before we jump in, do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. So, let's get started. Whatever I'm showing you here, you can do the exact same thing on your phone as well. It's not difficult at all, and the method I'm about to explain is super simple. Our first step is to choose the channel which we love to watch. Let's say we open IMR Scary Tales channel. I chose this channel because I like its style and its popularity. You can choose any channel or style you like. Then find a video you like. Let's choose this. We are taking this step just because we are about to copy the style of the video, the style you loved and want to recreate. Now copy the video URL and paste it into ChatGPT. Don't give any prompt yet, just paste the link and click enter. No need to add a prompt along with the URL just because at times ChatGPT may not analyze it properly. So just paste prompt and enter. We can see that ChatGPT got an idea what the channel is all about and their style based on the URL we provided. Now we will prompt ChatGPT with multiple prompts to generate components of the story. I've put all the prompts I use in here in the description box, or I'll give you a Google Docs, which I call a cheat sheet, open and use as needed. Step 1. Topic selection. Let's copy our first prompt from our cheat sheet. It might look complicated. We can write the same prompt in 2 lines, but we won't get full control over output. So I created these fine-tuned prompts that can control length, realism, tone, and force, step-by-step output in required format. I am doing this video in English, but if you want to make video in any other language, just replace English with your preferred language in the prompt. ChatGPT supports virtually any language. Once we paste the prompt, press enter. We can see that ChatGPT suggests multiple disturbing real-world crime documentaries to choose from. Just select the incident you want to make a video on. You can change crime to horror or any other genre you may like. Step 2. Topic selection and voiceover creation. When we finalize our topic, for example, let's say the death of Ali Salam, we need to use this in outcoming step. Let's go to our cheat sheet and copy the second prompt. Now let's go to ChatGPT and paste it. In the prompt, we must add the case title we liked to our script like this. Press enter. This prompt has covered all our requirements in detail. With this, we set the tone to our voiceover, like serious, investigative, restrained, atmospheric, no sensationalism, no fictional dramatization. We can see ChatGPT gives you the title and voiceover for every scene, right from opening hook line till conclusion scene, exactly the way we wanted. Step 3. Character reference visual generation. Now let's generate character profile prompts for all characters in the story. ChatGPT gives detailed prompts for each character, including character name, style, facial structure, gender, and appearance to lock individual features. For this, copy prompt and paste in ChatGPT and click enter. We can clearly see we got character-wise AI image prompts in a sequence in detailed. If you feel you can have more characters in our story, ask ChatGPT. I tried that myself, it works. Step 4. Scene generation. But we have one issue, image style. If we don't specify style with reference, we won't get images which are consistent. So we need to fix this problem by providing a reference picture. For this, we need to play a reference video again. Pause where characters are clearly visible. Take a screenshot. Upload the screenshot into ChatGPT and paste our fourth prompt. This prompt asks ChatGPT to give image prompts in the same visual style as the uploaded image, to maintain 2D animation consistency and include character details without names. Now every prompt follows the same visual style. Up to this point, every step is done using prompts. Till this point, we must understand the process. If you are comfortable till this part, I am sure remaining steps will be much easier. Step 5. Create character images. Now our next task is to generate images of our characters using character reference prompts generated by prompt 3 in ChatGPT. For this purpose, we will use Google's Whisk AI. This tool is free for now and can generate unlimited images. Let's search Whisk AI in Google and open the first link we get. Once it is opened, log in using your Gmail account. Once you are in, select Browse Gallery and click Enter Tool. Now we are in the workspace. Let's copy our first character prompt and paste it in Whisk. As we are generating character, we need to select 9:16 aspect ratio. Now click arrow to generate character image. Every time we click generate, we will get 2 images as an output to choose from. Whichever image you feel is more relevant and appealing, download it by hovering on the image and clicking download button. Remember to rename every downloaded file with the relevant character name so that there won't be any confusion later. Now let's copy our second character prompt and paste it in Whisk. Just check if aspect ratio is still 9:16 or not. Usually once changed, aspect ratio won't change till we change manually. When confirmed, click generate. As we did with our first image, select the image you liked from 2 and rename with character name. Repeat the same process to generate all the character images one by one. To not make our video lengthy, I will speed up and generate all images quickly. As you can see, I have generated all the characters here. Step 6. Create character profiles. Now we need to create character profiles for each subject one by one for consistency. For that, click the white arrow on left top corner below Whisk. Click Upload Image and select our first character image. Once our first subject's profile is created, we need to create our next profile by clicking plus button. Again, click Upload Image and select out second character picture. We need to repeat same steps for every character and upload their images into Whisk. Once all characters are uploaded, we need to lock the seed. To do that, check if all the characters are selected and then click Tab Settings next to Generate button and click Unlocked icon. Once it is locked, we can see a message underneath stating Seed is locked to create similar outputs. It is very important to remember that if you refresh the Whisk page or log in again, we need to select all characters and lock profiles again. Step 7. Generate scene images. Go to Scene Generation Prompts. These are same prompts which were generated while uploading a screenshot as style reference. We will start prompt-wise from Scene 1 till End card in a sequence. Always rename downloaded images accordingly for ease at later stages. As per our prompt, we have received 4 to 5 scene prompts, so every prompt must be used to generate scenes for consistency. Now let's copy our first scene prompt and paste it in Whisk. We have created prompt in such a way that every scene gets character name in it. So, we are safe. But it is best practice to read prompts and make sure which characters are involved in each scene before generating images. In some scenes, if no character is present, just uncheck all characters. If 1 or 2 characters are present, just select only those characters which are relevant to the scene. If we mess up here, the whole project won't make any sense when finished. So please be cautious. Before clicking Generating, switch aspect ratio to landscape 16:9 for YouTube. Click Generate. When done, download one image you like the most. Download and rename. Repeat the process for every scene and download. Step 8. Generate videos. Our next step is to create videos from out-generated images. I will use Grok as it is free, but there is a catch. Grok allows about 12 to 13 video conversions free per day on one account. Above that, we must buy subscription. But the solution to this problem is to sign in using different email addresses after generating 13 videos. I am sure these days everyone does have more than one email address, so just sign in using another email address. Once you have signed in, go to Profile, Settings, Behavior and toggle off Enable Automatic Video Generation. Now we can generate videos using our customized prompts only. Now click Imagine on left corner and Workspace opens. Here we must upload image files scene by scene by clicking Upload a File. We can see our first scene image that has been uploaded. If you forgot to toggle off auto generation feature in settings, at this point you will get to see an option on the image whether to auto generate video uploaded. Disable that. Once disabled, this is hard-coded to all future uploads. Now we must copy and paste the scene-wise prompt which we use to create images. Make sure you copied exact prompt belongs to the image. If not, you may get weird output and you will waste time and credits. Next to Make Video button, we have a camera-like icon. Click it. We see various options here, and as we can see, 6 seconds is assigned along with 480 video resolution by default. But if you want to use 10 seconds or 720 resolution, we must take subscription. For now, 6 seconds is good enough for our purpose. Now click Make Video button and wait for a few seconds to get video generated. If you are happy with the video clip, download. If not, just click Redo and wait. Select the video which you liked the most and upscale it before downloading by clicking 3 dots in the right corner for better quality. It will take few seconds. Once you see HD symbol next to Edit Image, click Download button next to Make Video. Now upload second scene image by hovering and clicking on Favorites. Now copy and paste second prompt and click Make Video. Once done, upscale Download. Repeat the same process for all our scenes one by one. As the video is getting longer, I will speed up and process all scenes. One quick tip, do remember at times prompts will not work and result in an error. That's normal, it happened to me as well. If you come across that scenario, ask ChatGPT to rewrite that particular prompt again. It will rectify it. If not, you may also use a different image and see if it works. Both scenarios do work. Step 9. Generate voiceover. We can generate voiceover for our video for free in two ways. First way is to generate speech by Google AI Studio. For that, search Google AI Studio in Google. Select to generate speech. This is a free voice generation tool from Google. Select single speaker audio because ours is storytelling and we need only one voice. If you want Pro account, it's 1 year free for Geo users. And our second way is using 11 Labs. Search for 11 Labs on Google. Click the first option and log in using email ID. Every user will get 10,000 credits for free. We can use those to create our videos. Today I will use 11 Labs. Let's click Voices on left corner and click Narration. Select language in which you want voiceover. As we are doing an English voiceover, let's select English. If you have specific accent requirement like American, Indian or British, you can select here. As we are doing a suspense style video, let's narrow it down by searching for suspense or horror. Now we will have bunch of results to select from. Before selecting, we can check various voices by clicking on individual names. I like few voices such as Bella or Valerie for suspense or horror narrations. For this video, I will select Valerie. Click +tab to add it to my voice. You can select any voice you may like. Now we must go back to ChatGPT to get voiceover script. Copy scene by scene and paste it in a work document. Paste all scenes one after another in a sequence. To get proper voice pauses, we need to add pauses between sentences. 11 Labs follow a syntax format. You can get this by searching Google. If you want a video on 11 Labs and its syntax, DM me in comments. I will come up with a tutorial video. Copy syntax and change break time to 0.25 or 0.5 as per requirement. 1.5 seconds is huge pause. It will break the scene's flow. If you are confused about syntax, just don't use it. You may end up wasting limited credits, which we get for free. You can also work with Generate Speech by Google. It is good as well, but I am comfortable with 11 Labs, so I used it today. You can paste all the scenes and generate a voiceover. Once generated, download audio. You can enhance audio using Adobe Podcast Enhancer for free. We have daily limit cap of 1 hour. That's an optional, not mandatory. Step 10. Editing. It's our final step and it is very important to have some good editing skills. You should include background music and sound effects as well. You can use any editing tool which is comfortable for you. We have many tools in market such as CapCut, Adobe, Filmora, DaVinci, and Canva. I will use Canva. I am comfortable with it and it is one of the best tools available in the market and you can use it for free. I will drop link in description to access Canva. You won't get premium elements such as videos, audio, pictures, etc. But you can use its free content and it's more than enough. Sign in using a mail ID. Once you are in, click plus on left top corner, which is to create a design. Now select videos. Select video landscapes. Workspace opens. The first thing we must do is to upload content, audio and videos. For that, click uploads on your left middle corner. We can upload in two methods. First, we can click upload files and import files we want. Second way, which I prefer, is drag and drop. For that, click uploads. Now just drag and drop files in this area. Once all files are uploaded, click plus to create workspace. Now drag and drop audio, video files into workspace. Add transitions between video clips to get smooth scene-to-scene flow. We should add background music to enhance the emotional impact, set the viewer's mood, and to keep viewers engaged. You can also add special effects from Elements tab. Remember, we must arrange clips according to our narration. We can cut and reuse video clips if needed, but make sure you arrange scene length as per audio's flow. If background music is added, reduce its volume to 10 or 20% so that narration is clearly audible. That's it. Once all scenes are aligned with audio and you are happy with outcome, just download. If you feel you need a video using Canva or any other tool, do comment. I will surely make a tutorial video. It is not complicated to learn. Before leaving, let's see remaining part of Elisa's case before signing off.
During the search, hotel guests began to complain about dark water and low pressure. On February 19th, a maintenance worker climbed to the roof to inspect the hotel's water tanks. He opened one of the 4 large tanks. Inside, he found Elisa Lam submerged in the water. Her clothing was inside the tank with her. The lid was closed. The Los Angeles County coroner conducted an autopsy. There were no signs of trauma or assault. Toxicology reports showed traces of prescription medication, and investigators determined she had not been taking it consistently. The official cause of death was ruled accidental drowning, with no evidence of foul play. But questions remained. How did she reach the roof? And why did the elevator behave the way it did? Investigators explained that the roof was accessible through fire escapes, and that the elevator doors remained open after multiple buttons were pressed. Some reports suggested the tank lid may have been left open during maintenance. Yet even with those explanations, doubt persisted. The footage continued to unsettle those who watched it, and the unanswered questions refused to fade. The Cecil Hotel was later rebranded. The case continued to generate documentaries and public debate. For some, it became a symbol of internet speculation. For others, it was a tragedy shaped by mental health. Officially, the case is closed. The ruling remains accidental drowning. No criminal charges were filed. And yet, the elevator footage still plays. A quiet corridor, an open door, a young woman stepping out of frame. Sometimes, the most disturbing stories are not about monsters. They are about moments we cannot fully explain, and about how quickly a life can disappear inside a crowded city.
The video's output is awesome, right? But the story is gruesome. I hope you guys understood all the steps, but if you face any problem, message me in comments. I will get back to you with a possible solution. Also subscribe to my Instagram, follow me there as well, it means a lot. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio. AI powered, creativity fueled. I'll see you in the next video where we explore more AI integrations in our daily lives. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.